Improper mining techniques contribute to land degradation and groundwater pollution. Of course, consuming all of these fossil fuels leads to air quality concerns. From consumption of energy alone, Brazil emits 500.2 million metric tons of carbon dioxide every year. Carbon dioxide is a deadly greenhouse gas. The concern is that even rainforests, due to fragmentation from deforestation, are releasing a sizable amount of CO2 as well as direct outputs from cars and industry, etc. Rainforests and trees in general are known to be carbon sinks, much like our oceans. So when they are cut down, the trees release the carbon they have previously stored, which accelerates the devastating impacts of our changing climate. Shale oil specifically has been a new frontier in Brazil, but there has been a lot of public backlash concerning the environmental risks of this practice. Deforestation, due to the extraction of crude oil and of shale, of the Amazon basin endangers native flora and fauna through direct habitat destruction and indirect habitat segmentation and degradation, illegal wildlife trade, severe oil spills, air and water pollution of the Rio de Janeiro.